But Abu Umar Rabi Eko and Medeama Foneja Pan. Omubunfui, but they are disappointed. Difference won't being angry and disappointed. One, a branch or that's we or you'll be a Medeama Fono or GD Wonimupa. And when they were parting company with Duncan, no more GD said he can do the job. It was last season or the movie top 4. Then this season, I know the head coach. Duncan, but Duncan Bakoye, he's taking charge and he's taking them to get some good results near there. So they felt they could plan ahead for the future with him. And especially na Medeama ni war, Bismarck could be mensa so. And there were visitations kra e watakwa Bismarck koye any omokwa ko fraternize didn't komo kakra. So if they knew say oh ba be kwa, they would have sealed Bismarck there, and at that time he was available for free. And yet they on the Olympics are signing a contract because he's a coach they love. And Bismarck has basically worked at the Western Enclave. So Omunim say you'll be a Kwakwe homeboy answer. So what do? You only inform them prior. Into Omutia say then almost make arrangement for. Nenkoye no akwaye similar to Samuel Boadu no. Because the Etienne say Oko Egypt. Or Right to Dream Academy or Muwe Newo Egypt no. He's going for good money. And sir and common now on the Right to Dream meeting. No, yes, was say Akomeah starting just a week or 2 ago. And Akomeah because you belong to that Right to Dream fraternity. Only on my human. So if you intend leaving then away.
Also cry.
Exactly. No, I'm so serious here with you. Omeja okwan.
They say the abo
na yes opana eya also okota tamale no parking in yoma kakra no de ko eya the ro mo koya no kai ono onya ma bi onkra
hona
yeah no they let
big mate mama family na kan ma from nim say beba we no
ha supporters we are ba
ya ba be nim say be di onkomo pa awia no
e be a showdown in Little Accra. See what Greater Accra. Ochina. A better showdown in Little Accra. Big development. Abu Yebe we are. Matic versus Hasfans. Omega brutal and sha. Game a beba Sunday no. He will not be on the touch line.
Matic.